हेलो एवरीवन, आप सभी का आपके अपने चैनल सारस ट्यूटोरियल पे बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आज मैं क्लास 10 के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए सोशल साइंस का ज्योग्राफी पोर्शन का पहला लेसन इकोनॉमिक ज्योग्राफी सब्जेक्ट मैटर एंड रिसोर्स का क्वेश्चन आंसर लेकर के आई हूँ। इसका मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको 4 क्वेश्चंस प्रोवाइड कर दिया था। ठीक है, आज मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 से आप लोगों को आंसर प्रोवाइड करूँगी। अगर आपने उस वीडियो को नहीं देखा है तो प्लीज़ देखिए। अगर लिंक नहीं मिलता है तो प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कीजिए, मैं लिंक प्रोवाइड कर दूँगी आप लोगों को। साथ ही आप लोगों को अगर मेरा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप भी ज्वाइन करना है तो प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कीजिए। ठीक है, और प्लीज़ चैनल को सपोर्ट कीजिए। आप लोग चैनल को जितना सपोर्ट करोगे चैनल उतना ही आगे बढ़ेगा और मैं बहुत सारे लोगों की मदद कर सकूँगी। ठीक है, तो चलिए देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 देखो, वाई इज रिसोर्स ज्योग्राफी नॉन एज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट ब्रांच ऑफ इकोनॉमिक ज्योग्राफी। ओके, इसका आंसर होगा द इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट ऑफ अ कंट्री इज क्लोजली एसोसिएटेड विद द क्वालिटी ऑफ रिसोर्सेज अवेलेबल इन दैट कंट्री एंड देयर प्रॉपर यूटिलाइजेशन। ओके, मोर ओवर दिस स्टडी ऑफ इकोनॉमिक ज्योग्राफी एंड ऑल ऑफ इट्स branches and sub branches is directly related to geography of resources. It is in this context that resources are considered as an important branch of economic geography. Okay, then come to the question number 6. What is meant by resource? Mention its characteristics. Okay, a source of wealth, revenue, supply or support essential for the function of living organism and ecosystems is known as a resource. Okay, in other words, things that satisfy various human needs are known as resource. It is defined as a country's collective means of support. Okay, natural things available in nature like air, water, sun rays, soil, plants, mineral, fish, etc. found on the earth are considered as resource because they help human existence on earth in one way or the other way. ठीक है, or the other. According to the famous economist Zimmerman, the main characteristics or properties of a resource are utility. First is utility. Resources should be useful to man in one way or other. It should satisfy some of his needs required for living. Then second one, functionality. Every resources has certain functionality, that is it should have a certain function or usefulness. Thus each resource has a unique usefulness of its own. Okay, then question number 7. Resources dynamic. Explain. Okay, one of the significant feature of a resource is its dynamic aspect. Sometimes a commodity found in nature may not be useful today, but during a later period of time it may become a useful item and turn into resource. Such minerals are called natural stuff. For example, ocean water may not be of much use today, but it is expected that this water may have substance which may be beneficial to mankind. In the same way, some of the presently useful resources may become useless when some other alternative commodities are discovered. Mineral oil is a highly useful resource today, and without it, the economic development of a country cannot take place. But the discovery of an alternate source which is cheap and easily available can make this wonderful resource a resource. Okay, wonderful resource a useless one in the near future. Okay, hence the utility of a resource is temporary and can change with time. Okay, then the commodity that are harmful to man are called resistance. For example, the flood water of Damodar river caused a great deal of harm and damage to human life and property. But when this flood water was controlled by suitable check dams, the water became highly useful resource which enhance human habitation and agriculture. Thus, our residents can become resource. Therefore, in this context, we can say that is resource is dynamic. Okay, then come to question number 8. Briefly discuss about the necessity of resources with example. Resource help men in numerous ways. Following are some of the necessities of resources. First is improve living condition. The availability of resources not only fulfill the primary needs of men, that is food, clothing and shelters, but also satisfies many other requirements. The improves the overall living condition or standard of living of man. For example, agriculture product like rice, wheat, etc. serves man with his food as well as help him in earning his livelihood. Okay. Then point number 2, socio-economic development. No country can ever progress resources such as mineral, agricultural crops, forest products, human resource, etc. Hence, the socio-economic development of a country is greatly depend on the availability of resource. Okay. Then point number 3, human welfare. The progress of human society is directly associated with resources and their proper utilization. Resources satisfy the various needs of man required for his living. Okay. So ये हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 का आंसर है. ठीक है. इस वीडियो में मैं और क्वेश्चंस आप लोगों को नहीं प्रोवाइड करूँगी क्योंकि वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा हो जाता है तो फिर आप लोग देखते भी नहीं हो. ठीक है. सो ये और भी अगर आपको इस लेसन के और भी क्वेश्चंस चाहिए जिनका आंसर आपको पता नहीं है तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में क्वेश्चन पुट कर देना, मैं आपको आंसर प्रोवाइड कर दूँगी. ठीक है. और कुछ भी हेल्प चाहिए तो कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कीजिए. तब तक के लिए बाय, टेक केयर.